Hi everyone, my name is Anna Forgony. I am a spiritual coach and trainer, and this video is really about the meditation and the effects, the positive effects of meditation. So stay with me here. First, I wanted to start with the personal background because meditation really changed my life. I started to meditate when I was around 16 years old. I had a lot of health challenges during that time, and that was in a really early age and in a really early time in our last decades in the human history, because during that time the world was not so open to receive this kind of knowledge, not so open as it happens in these days. So I had this kind of challenges, and that was the first time when I met a medium, a psychic, who was teaching some kind of stuff for me, and especially the Silva technique, and I was using this kind of meditations. And then after that, later, when I had again some kind of health challenges in my own life, I needed to turn back to this kind of techniques, to this kind of meditations. I mean different kinds, but normally, generally, to the rituals to have meditation. So for example, I gathered some meditation circles with my friends, and we had some weekends or meditation afternoons when we were together and we meditated together, and I started to make guided meditations. So I have seen, and they already experienced within themselves, with themselves, that oh, this is so cool, we could achieve a lot of things with only just meditating, because I know sometimes it could be challenging when you just want to turn off from the social media, from your phone, from the outside world. I know sometimes it could be challenging, but it's important because it's really, really good. So as I just started to use the meditation and I just started to have some experiences, I really realized that, oh, this is so cool, this is so good for me. I have seen some clarity in my own life. I started to be more like calm, and I felt that I am full of with love. I wasn't aware of these things. I wasn't conscious that okay, that exactly these things happened, but I felt that I am better, I feel better. And now when I turn back and I see these happenings, now I realized what happened. But actually, I was more open to receive the energy from the quantum during the day, be more mindful and conscious about my decisions. But first of all, I wanted to share with you that really my meditation rituals experiences changed my own life, and I really felt that I could be more in alignment with my own authentic self. And I think this is the most important thing, because when you are more in alignment with your authentic self, then you could make more better decisions, and also you are able to more in alignment with your soul goal, with your life purpose. But that was just about me, and then we're going to continue with the pros about using the meditation on a daily basis. My first point is for you that meditation, it's like an energy shower, and it is so normal that each and every day we use a physical shower on our body. And my question is for you then, why we do not use this kind of energy shower in our energy space, in our own life on a daily basis? It would be so normal, because when you are in connection with the outside world, and here I want to highlight something, even if you are working at home, working on your computer, on your laptop, and you are not going outside into the world, still you are connected. Even if you don't open your social media account, you don't use your browser, still you are energetically connection with the outside world. Even if you don't have a phone call or a text message during the day, I know sometimes it's impossible, but anyway, just so you know that even if you have really big walls around you energetically, or like you don't communicate so much, and I don't recommend to do this, then still you are connected with the outside world. Why do I not recommend to absolutely be in this kind of hermit position? Each and every person is different. Sometimes there are some periods when we need to get inside of ourselves, But I think our human being is a social creature, so we need to connect, we need to contact with other people. And I especially want to highlight this for you if you are now in this kind of awakening or transformation, transition period, then still it could happen. I know that the outside where the people around you could be overwhelming. Just shift your focus and let's see, okay, this is my past, this is the old story. Do I need to connect still with these people, or I need to shift? Sometimes we just don't need to throw everything, everybody away, okay? Just start to make some baby small steps and see, okay, this was my past, okay, then what will be my future? How I want to live my own future. And actually, this kind of things will bring us to the second point too. But just a reminder, meditation works like an energy shower. You release the old energies and you are able to be more inside yourself and also connected with the quantum and receive more guidance because of that. So my second point for you is that you are guided. When you entrance into this meditative state of mind, automatically you start to feel the connection more and more with your own soul. And this is very important, with your own soul and with the outside and the inside quantum field energy. What does it mean? The quantum field energy is an endless power for you. If you feel that you are powerless, if you feel that you have less energy, then still you could tap into this field, even if you are working in your office, even if you are working at home. For example, you could go to the bathroom in your office area and just take some deep breath, relax, close your eyes, or you could go outside if there is any park around you, or at home, just close your eyes and relax and breathe. And just empty your mind, start to empty your mind, try to empty your mind. It's okay if you have some feelings, thought forms. Just start to feel the connection, the vibration within yourself, the life force energy, and the connection with the quantum. Because actually, when you just do it like 1 minute, 60 seconds is more than enough just to start to shift your focus and your energy. And automatically, you will attract more and more abundance, love, what you want to receive and attract. You will more and more have like this. And you don't even need to visualize anything. Just breathe, close your eyes, empty your mind, just release your feelings, or just have the intention to release your feelings. Because I know sometimes, the emotional state could be noisy, and then just relax. You could do it better, this kind of exercises, when you have already a meditation ritual. So when you are meditating each and every day, at the beginning of your day and the end of your day, during the day, when you want to make this kind of shift your focus, then automatically you will have already a basement. You could just visualize this, or you could just think about that when you want to build a house. First, you're gonna make the foundation each and every day, and automatically already before the night, you're gonna start to build your foundation. You're gonna continue the foundation, or you're gonna start the foundation in the morning. So you will have this kind of basement. And during the day, when you want to build the walls, when you want to make decisions moving forward with your own life, have better connection, have better decision making, okay? And have a good focus and really feel good in your own body. Actually, automatically, your energy boundaries will be better when you're gonna have this kind of energy shower, when you have deeper connection with yourself. You are not so focused on the outside, where you have this kind of focus and this kind of power energy within yourself. You don't want to have, this kind of reaction and confirmation from the outsider, because you have the guidance, you have the connection, you feel and you are guided by the divine and by your own soul energy. The third one, I really love this because You know, in these days, and this is so amazing because I just mentioned that how young I was when I started to use this kind of spiritual techniques and intuitive techniques. So these days we have so much more scientific proofs about the positive effects of manifestation, visualization, and you know, I could list a bunch of things, but the most important thing, when you start to meditate, you are able to rest your nervous system. And this is very, very important because we are now in a world when so much things going on. Actually, in the media, I know that there are some things in the outside world, there are some happenings, and still we could be compassionate. At some point, I really suggest just a turn off the news. I don't say that we need to avoid the outside world, but when you are in a transition, when you need to step outside from your old energies, old life, past life, and you want to move, I mean the past life like this, and when you want to move, arrive, and trans into this kind of new world of your being, then you just couldn't focus to the outside world. So this is really important that, okay, the meditation could calm down your nervous system, but in the same time, just to be careful that where you put your attention, your focus, because automatically there is an energy exchange when you're just watching someone's social media, when you are reading or watching the news, the videos. So this is really important. And also, you know, we have this kind of devices, the smart devices, and these are really cool. These are really, really smart. But at some point, we need to decide that they are for us or we are for them. Okay, so be careful, be conscious the usage of this kind of devices and be mindful with your usage of them. I already mentioned the fourth point, and this is about deepen your connection with the quantum, with the source energy, with the divine, and or with your soul. Your soul part of the quantum of the divine source energy. We are one. We are all connected with each other through the divine source energy. And it's important because when you put something into the collective energy, automatically the other people, the other souls could be affected by this. As I already told you, when you are doing your meditation daily practices, you could be more resilient, you could have more better energetic boundaries around you. Automatically, when you have better energetic boundaries, then you will have automatically better physical boundaries. It works like this. As I just mentioned, then you will feel the connection more with the divine source energy. Actually, you could feel that you are blessed. And even if you have a challenging period, I know that we could have challenging periods. I had challenging periods. I am absolutely aware of that. I'm not this kind of too much optimistic person. I am optimistic because I want to attract more and more abundance, love, and energy into my life. But at the same time, I know that life happens and we have some life stories, life situations, and also some soul plan when we actually don't feel that we are, you know, on the top of our life. Actually, it could happen that during this kind of challenging periods, you have some really amazing transformation and breakthroughs, even if you just don't realize, or later, or during the process you already realize. But the most important thing, when you have this kind of deeper connection with yourself, with your soul, and with the divine energy, then automatically, because of that, you will see from a different point of view your life, your connection, and your challenges as well. And even if you have a good period in your life, because it's not bad or good, it's just neutral, everything from the divine point of view. But when you have this kind of good period, positive period, still you could appreciate and enjoy more and more. So for example, you won't be stressed out that, okay, what will happen next? Everything will be fine. And if you have some kind of thought forms about that you are just freaking out that, okay, what will happen next? That maybe it's time to start to think about, to work on your subconscious, or just to make some healing meditations. Apropos, this is important. If you want to have some insights, if you want to practice healing meditation, different meditations, I really recommend my channel. You can subscribe if you want to have some notifications, and when I upload a video with meditation or with further self-development contents, then you will know about it. And the fifth one, it's about the decision making. All of the things what I just told you, these are connected with the decision making. When your nervous system calm, when you are calm, when you are connected with the divine, when you are connected with your soul guidance, when you are guided, automatically, how are you gonna do your decision making? Of course, better. It's like this. Okay, so this is really, really important. If you want to have better decision making practices, meditate. Meditate in the morning, meditate in the afternoon, meditate in the evening if it's better for you. It's up to you how you are able to implement the meditation into your life. You don't need to stress about that oh, I need to meditate each and every day, twice, 1 hour. I'm just sharing some examples. No, just think about that. What kind of practice you could have in your own life, what you could do each and every day, each and every time, okay? And just don't feel the stress in the morning that I need to meditate 20 minutes, half hour. What is good for you? Maybe you just want to start with 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. Just tune into that. And when you feel the time, you could make a timer. You could use guided meditations as well. And as I just told you, I will have some guided meditations on my YouTube channel too. And you will see that, okay, this is so good, this is so nice. And then you are able to expand the time frame of your meditation. For example, you're gonna start with 5 minutes and then you just decide, okay, I'm gonna have now 10 minutes. And you will see, I'm sure that after 1 week of practice, please just save this video link, save this video to your watch list, playlist, because I just want to ask you, just start the meditation today. Don't hesitate about that. Just start. Start in the evening, continue in the morning, even if it's just 5 minutes, okay? Just start to do it. And let's see after 1 week how you feel. Maybe it will happen already after 1 day, but just let's see after 1 week how you feel. And please come back to this video and please leave me a comment. I'm really curious about your comments, how these videos could affect you, and especially the practices what I'm sharing with you. I'm sure that when you're gonna do this kind of exercises, and as I just told you, that you will have a better decision making. You could see more clearly the things around you. You are not so attached automatically, energetically, and emotionally to the things around you. Then you could make better decisions, of course. But the other thing is that you could be more calm during your activities, during the decision making. So it will be so nice for you. Thank you so much for watching, and then see you next time. Bye.